Video, I'm going to teach you about drawing annotations and coordination. Now, what you're seeing here is the interface of a very sophisticated drafting and design program called Revit. And what I want to focus in right now, even though there's a lot of other things showing on the screen, is I want to actually focus in on a couple of drawings here. Now, we're going to start with the drawing on this plan, and then I'm going to direct you to a couple of other drawings to show you annotations and coordination. Now, we've seen a version of this small office in another program called AutoCAD, but I have imported it into Revit, this program, so that I can create more drawings quickly and easily for us to use. But right now, I just want you to kind of realize and remember that we've seen this floor plan before in other assignments, but for now, we're going to be kind of manipulating it and doing other things with it. So I'm going to move over to another sheet in my drawing set for this project. And you can see over here, I'm going to click on A102, which is the office floor plan. Now, the office is just that part of the floor plan on the upper left or northwest corner. You can see here, it's the same plan right here, but we're just going to kind of pull that one room out and we're going to look at it on this sheet. Now, this sheet, before we talk about the annotations and the coordination, I just want to talk about a couple of things that are on this sheet. We have a title bar at the bottom that's going to give information about this drawing. We have a copy of the floor plan here, just of the office, and you can see it's drawing number 1. You can see that we have a title and a scale of this drawing. So it's the floor plan. And we have a north arrow here, and that means that we can start to talk about things like the north wall or the west wall. You can see that I have dimension lines indicated on the north wall and the west wall, but we'll talk about those in a minute. Down here, you can see I have a series of 4 elevations, and you can see that they are drawn in and kind of placed evenly on the sheet so that we can start to coordinate them with each other. Now, the first thing I want to do is talk to you a little bit about this drawing, which is the floor plan here. Now, as you can see, we have the walls, windows, and doors drawn in, and we also have a series of dimension lines here, which we're going to use later on to fill in some calculations. But for right now, I want you to notice that the dimensions have been provided to you in feet and inches, and where the dimension line touches the wall, that's where the measurement starts and stops. And so that's what you have here. Now, for beginning design students, it might be a little challenging to visualize the interior of a space without seeing a three-dimensional model of it. And right now, we're actually going to kind of help you visualize this space by providing for you a series of elevations. Now, what we have here in the center of this floor plan is what we call an elevation tag. And you can see here, if I stand right in this square, or a viewer stands right in this square and looks in the direction of each of these arrows, we are going to see a wall or an elevation drawing of a wall. And so if I stand right here and I look in the direction of this 4 arrow, looking at this wall, and I go down to drawing number 4, you can see here, I'll see exactly in this drawing what the viewer would see here. So you can see I would have the wall itself, and then I've got the windows right in the middle of the wall. So you can see here the length of the wall is the same, 13.8 on the plan, 13.8 in the elevation. And then you can see the wall height here is 10 feet, 0 inches. As I hover over drawings in Revit, this black box appears. I'm sorry, that's a little distracting. But just continuing on, you can see here, if I stand at where it says A102 and I look in the direction of this arrow for drawing number 2, I will see the east elevation. And you can see here, once again, the dimensions are the same. Wall length is the same, height is the same, 10 feet as it is to the other wall. And then you can see I've got this series of doors. So this door right here is this door right here. This door right here is this door right here. And this door right here is this door right here. So as you can see on this sheet, we have a lot of information, but ultimately it's just a series of two drawing types, the floor plan and a series of interior elevation drawings, each that gives us information about this room that coordinate with each other through the use of drawing labels and elevation tags.